ready to turn casual website visitors into eager subscribers. Let's jump into SEO and build a high-converting squeeze page, step by step. First, log into your SEO account and click on Funnels. Next, click the Create button to start a new funnel. Name your funnel something descriptive like Lead Magnet Squeeze Page. Choose Build an Audience as the goal, and click Create. Now, you'll see a selection of templates. Browse through and pick one that appeals to you, or start with a blank page for complete customization. I'm going to select this one, then click Select. This brings you to the editor here. You can customize everything. Click on the headline to change the text to something compelling. Think about the main benefit of your offer. Click on the opt-in form to edit the fields. You can add or remove fields as needed. Ensure your privacy policy is linked if you're collecting personal information. Don't forget to optimize your page for search engines. Go to Settings and fill in the SEO metadata, including title and description. To maximize conversions, A/B test different headlines, images, and even form placements. SEO makes it easy to create variations and track their performance. Finally, monitor your page's performance using SEO's built-in analytics. Track your conversion rates and make adjustments to optimize for maximum leads. That's it. With these steps, you can create a powerful squeeze page in SEO and start building your email list today.